How to make soap with natural ingredients. If you're interested in knowing how to make soap with natural ingredients, stay tuned and make sure you watch this video to the end. Let's establish our ingredients for this production. Oil 1 liter, water half liter, caustic soda 200 grams, foaming booster 494 grams, turmeric powder as desired. Let's dive into the practical. The first thing you will do is to pour the oil into a bowl, then set it aside. Then add the 200 grams of caustic soda into the water and stir. Stir properly till all particles dissolve in water, and you allow it to cool down before adding it into the oil. After it cools down, you can add into the oil, then stir. Stir until the oil and the caustic soda properly mixes together. The oil that we are using for this production is bleached palm oil. Palm oil makes your soap to be strong because palm oil has a palmitic acid in it. But palm oil does not have foaming ability. So that is why we are introducing foaming booster. That's why we are using foaming booster in this production. If you watch most of my videos, you notice that I don't use foaming booster. But because of this oil that we are using, if we make this soap without putting foaming booster, the soap will not foam very well. So you have to add foaming booster to boost it up. Please, before making this soap, make sure your oil cools down at least at body temperature before you embark on making this type of soap. You see, this is my own now. I did not wait for the caustic soda to properly cool down before I start making the soap. That's why it looks like you want to turn watery. But if you are making this kind of soap and it happens like that, what you do is just cover it and leave it for some time, then come back, allow it to saponify, then come back and stir it. The natural ingredients that we are using in this soap is turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is a flowery plant and it belongs to the ginger family. Turmeric soap helps neutralize free radicals and protect the skin from environmental damages, reducing signs of aging and maintaining a youthful complexion, and its anti-inflammatory properties, smoothing irritated skin and reduces reddishness, providing relief for conditions like eczema and the rest. Turmeric helps to lighten dark spots and even complexion. Add the foaming booster and stir. Stir until all the ingredients properly mixes together. You can add your foaming booster at once and stir, and you can also add it little by little and stir. After all the ingredients have mixed properly, you add it into the mold and allow it to cure for 12 to 24 hours before upmolding it. Remember, I said why we are using foaming booster for this production is because we are using palm oil. Palm oil makes your soap to be strong, but it doesn't have the foaming ability. So we have to add foaming booster so that it can foam very well. If we do not add foaming booster, it's not that the soap will not foam. It will foam, but it will not foam very well. So add the soap butter into your mold and allow it to dry before upmolding it. This is after 12 hours and I'm about to mold the soap. Let's see how the soap is. You can see the soap have formed. So after molding it, you will leave the soap for 3 weeks for it to properly cure before you start using it, because it's a cold processed soap. You can see how smooth the soap is. I have to cut this one into smaller sizes. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe now and turn the bell notification so that anytime I post, you will be among the first to be notified. You can also give this video a thumbs up so that the algorithm will push the video to more people. Thank you as you do so. If you want more of this video, you can comment more in the comment section so that I will make more of this video. You will find all the ingredients and measurements that we use for this production in the description below. I made a video that teaches how to calculate soap recipe. You can find the link in the description below, or click on the video that will pop up on the screen at the end of this video. Thanks for watching to this extent. I will see you in my next video. Do well to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Bye.